We'll start here at the front door. They've put a new wood deck out front, definitely long enough and wide enough to put some rocking chairs out there and watch the cars pass by. I'm here in the first family room with a fireplace. It looks like the fireplace was originally there and they added a nice stacked stone on top of it. We've got new windows. I don't have any lights on here, guys. It's just naturally flooding with sunlight. We've got wood floors here. They appear to be original. They could be new and they just laid them down, but they could be original and sanded down. I'd have to read over it. They went with the classic gray walls and white trim, which is on point with what buyers are looking for right now. The trend of gray and white has not gone out. We've got some fresh carpet here. So this is a bedroom off the front. Moving on here, should definitely set this up as a formal dining room space, or if you needed more entertaining space in a family room, you could do that as well. We're gonna go this direction. Let's see here. Looks like we found a second bedroom. You could put some shelves there and a closet door and call that a closet. We've got the staircase going up there and a pass-through door. So let's see what this door leads to. Okay, so we've got the kitchen there and we are actually in the bathroom. So we've got an ensuite bedroom with an attached bathroom here. Definitely digging the vanity. Easy drop-in tub shower. Now we're in the kitchen. So we've got some nice wood cabinets. Appliances are installed, which leads me to believe that they would be included, but always double check those type of things. No refrigerator, so you would need that. And it looks like the third bedroom at the back of the house. A deep walk-in closet there. So we've got 3 bedrooms down here, and I'll give you a glimpse out this window. So that is M24 there out the window and the doctor's office. So let's go check out upstairs and see what we have up here. From the inside, I cannot hear the M24 traffic, which is a good thing. Okay, really big bedroom upstairs. We've got another window here, one looking out over the garage, and a big closet. And then across the way, let's see what we've got here. Okay, so coming up the stairs, then we've got these 3 doors. So let's see here. Oh, there's another staircase. Don't know what that is too. Okay, really big bedroom. So you could use this as your master. So the room I'm standing in could be your sitting room if you wanted to have a sitting room in your master bedroom. Or it could be a really big closet, or a combination. Let's see what we have over here. Another bedroom, ample windows, closet, very spacious. Okay, I love these little hidden treasures that people keep when they're renovating homes. Oh, we've got a second floor laundry. Some people love them, some people don't, but it makes sense when all the bedrooms are upstairs. Why would you carry all the laundry downstairs? So we've got a second full bathroom here, a drop-in tub shower, a vanity, and look, the sink is offset, so you actually have more counter space. I am a fan of one sink with more counter spaces.